Hey, what is up guys, it's Waffle, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Mega Sync for your desktop in 2020. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to want to do is go ahead and download the Mega extension for Chrome. So if you go to the description below and click on the first link under Mega extension, I'll take you to this page and you just want to click add to Chrome. Basically what this does is it creates a bridge between the browser and the desktop app that we're going to download later, and you'll be able to download all your files you'll be able to import all your files and download them through the desktop app with this extension. So we're just going to let it download and it should install. As you can see, Mega has been added to Chrome. Alright, so now what you're going to want to do is go to the second link in the description below and click on the link under where it says Mega Sync, and it should take you to this page right here. And from here you want to choose what platform you're on. So I'm on Windows, so I'm just going to select Windows. And you want to click Keep, and the download should start. It'll take a few minutes, but it is a small file, so it won't take too long. Alright, so once it's done downloading, you want to go ahead and open the setup. You're going to press yes, and you want to select the language that you speak. So I'm going to do English, and then you want to go to next. I agree. And if you want to install for multiple users on your computer, you want to choose this, or if you only have one user, you can just choose install just for me, and then install, and then just wait a few minutes or seconds, and then you just want to go back there. It might open up a new tab, and then just have this checked, press finish. So now that is done, you want to go ahead and log in. So if you don't have a Mega account, then you want to go ahead and just make one. So I'm going to log in real quick. So you just want to click login once you've put in your information. And here you want to go ahead and check. You want to check whichever one that you want. So full sync, it'll just bring. So if you have any files stored in the cloud, it'll bring it all of the files. Or selective sync, you only want like a select amount of files. So if you only want your maybe if you have a games file and the work file, maybe just want your games file. So I'm just going to do selective sync, and if you want to change that, you can change it, but I'm just going to keep it the same, then press finish. Now once we're done with that and have it all installed, you can find it in the corner here, this little pop-up tab if you want to open it again. But okay, so now once that is done, you want to go ahead and go to your Mega download and make sure that you're logged in, and you just want to go and have this checked, transfer with Mega desktop app, and then you want to click download, and then you get this little pop-up here, and then you just want to press OK. Now if we go to this pop-up here, open Mega, as you can see, started to download, 4 hours, and it shows you all that information. So yeah, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.